Hello student, welcome to the KTHM e-learning portal. I am Pratik Shinde, working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the subject Applied Zoology second. And in this lecture, we are going to cover the chapter Introduction to Apiculture and the topic Systematic Position and Habitat of different species of honeybee, like Apis dorsata, Apis mellifera, Apis serena indica, and Apis florea. First, we see the introduction. In the apiculture, Apis means honeybee and culture means to rear. Here, the rearing and management of honeybee for the production of honey and bee product for the economic purpose. This is called as apiculture. Apiculture is an domestication of honeybee for the collecting honey, bee wax, royal substance, bee venom, pollen, and for the pollination purpose. It is also called apiculture as the honeybee belong to the genus Apis. A place where bees are kept are called as apiary or beeyard. In India, becoming popular as cottage industry due to efforts of Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Then these are the scientists give an remarkable work in the apiculture. First scientist, John Dzierzon, is the father of apiculture and apiology. Then the second scientist, Moss Quinby, is the father of commercial beekeeping. And the last one, Langstroth, is the father of American apiculture and modern beekeeping. Then, what is the scope of beekeeping? Why we are doing beekeeping? Because the important product of beekeeping is the honey, which is used as medicine and nutritive support. Beekeeping also provide commercial products such as bee wax, pollen, royal jelly, etc. Beekeeping supplies bee venom for pharmaceutical industry. Beekeeping is a profitable rural-based industry. Beekeeping is an agro-based enterprise. Beekeeping helps research institute to study about behavior of bees. Beekeeping helps entomologists to study about social life of bee. Beekeeping indirectly helps farmers to increase their agricultural yield by cross-pollination. It can generate an additional income. Beekeeping provides raw material for the production of sweets, candles, and cakes. Beekeeping is an ideal suited for part-time occupation and it provides employment opportunity. Beekeeping provides an opportunity for women employment. It improves the economy of our country. Beekeeping can easily integrated into larger agricultural or forestry projects. Then we see the history of beekeeping. At some point, human beings attempt to domesticate wild bee in artificial hive, made up from hollow log, wooden log, clay plot, and one straw basket. These are some evidences for our ancestor beekeeping. In 13,000 BC, cave drawing indicate human interaction with bee. And in picture 1 shows caves painting located in Spain has been dated at 7000 BC. Many caves painting has been found around the world. Neolithic image from India. See in picture 2. And the third evidence in Egypt. Egypt apiculture is start 2400 BC in Sun Temple of Nigeria. These are the another evidences for beekeeping during 16th and 17th century. Then the systematic position of honeybee. Honeybee is belonging to the kingdom Animalia group Invertebrata. Why Invertebrata? Because the lack of vertebral column. Then they belonging to the phylum Arthropoda because jointed appendages seen in honeybee. Then they belonging to the class Insecta. Why Insecta? Because 6 appendages seen in honeybee. Then the subclass. Subclass of honeybee is Pterygota because wing is present. Then division Endopterygota. Why Endopterygota? Because it shows complete metamorphosis or distinct life stages like larva, pupa, adult. Then order. Order Hymenoptera. Why Hymenoptera? Because 4 transparent wing and the female typically having sting. Then the superfamily. Superfamily is Apoidae because comprising the true bees. Then the family. Family is Apidae because is an social insects. Then the subfamily Apiinae, native to Asia, Africa and Europe. Then the tribe Apinae, stinging honeybee. Sting apparatus present in honeybee. Then genus. Genus is Apis. That's why we call as apiculture. Then the species. There are many different type of species seen in honeybee, but in this lecture we have focused only these 4. First is Apis rosetta, Apis serena indica, and third is Apis florea, and the fourth one is Apis mellifera. These are the species of honeybee seen in this lecture. Then next, honeybee different from other bees. We call many insect as a bee, but they are not bee like honeybee. For example, hornet bee is not honeybee like bumblebee and yellow jacket. These 3 different from honeybee, but we call as a bee. Then the honeybee colony. In the honeybee colony, in general, the only one queen is seen. Around 250 to 500 drones seen in a healthy colony. 20,000 to 30,000 female forager seen in a healthy colony. And the 40,000 to 60,000 female house bee seen in a colony. Along with them, 5,000 to 7,000 eggs seen in comb of the honeybee. And 7,000 to 11,000 larvae being fed in a honeycomb. Then 16,000 to 24,000 larvae developing into adult in sealed cells. This is the overall counting of bees seen in a healthy colony of a different species. Then the species of honeybee. There are around 2000 kind of bee of order Hymenoptera. Families like Bombidae, Melipodini and Apidae. Bombidae are temperate bees which keep their honey and brood in a waxen pots. Melipodini are stingless African bees. Apidae is main honey producing family. Its 4 species are very popular with beekeeping industry, such as Apis rosetta, called as rock bee; second, Apis serena indica, called as eastern bee or Indian bee; third is Apis mellifera, called as western bee; and fourth one is Apis florea, called as garden bee or small pollinating bee. We have seen these are the different species of bees at dorsal view and lateral view. First one is Serena indica, second is Mellifera, and the third one is Drosera. Here the first one is lateral view of Drosera, lateral view of Mellifera and lateral view of Apis serena indica. Then we first talk about the Apis dorsata, also called as rock bee. Largest bee of about 20 mm in length, called a giant honeybee. Forewing is largest among all the honeybee, is about 12.5 to 14.5 mm. The color of bee is reddish in color. The comb is exposed and hanging. Exposed means they construct their comb in open place and the hanging type of comb. A single comb make 40 to 60 kg of honey, which is maximum amount of a comb. Workers pollinate 12,000 flowers daily. Workers are very small and due to their aggressive nature, they are non-domesticated. When the Apis dorsata sting to the human may be died. Then we see the habit and habitat of Apis dorsata. Apis dorsata is commonly called as giant bee or rock bee. Why we call giant bee? Because the size of this Apis dorsata is maximum or largest among all the bees. And why it's called as rock bee? Because he construct their comb in a hilly places. It is largest than to all other honeybees. It is included under the order Hymenoptera and class Insecta. It is found all over India in the hills up to the height of 2500 meters above the sea level. They build their nest mainly in exposed places or open places, on tree, under the cliff overhanging, and sometimes on buildings. See here, the Apis dorsata construct their comb in a building. Then it build an open single comb of huge size, about 1 to 1.5 meter across. The colony has a strength of 80,000 bees. Each colony has one queen, 400 to 500 drones, 60,000 to 80,000 workers, 9,000 larvae, 20,000 seed pupa, and 6,000 eggs. The workers of Apis dorsata are, however, able to fly at night when the light of the moon is adequate. See here, these are the colonies of Apis dorsata on the tree bark. Then the distribution of Apis dorsata. Apis dorsata has a widespread distribution throughout southern Asia. See here, the southern Asia distributed the Apis dorsata. Then the Apis mellifera. Apis mellifera, commonly known as European bee, Italian bee, and the Western bee. It is smaller than rock bee but larger than Indian bee. Forewing is shorter than rock bee but longer than Indian bee. It is about 8 to 9.7 mm. The bee is dark in brown color. The comb is unexposed, means they construct their comb in dark place, not a open place. Then the annual honey yield is about 30 to 40 kg. Although bee produce less honey, but it is a best species for commercial point of view. Italian variety is rare everywhere in Europe and America in artificial hive. Colony has a strength of 80,000 bees. These are the colonies of Apis mellifera. See here in a third picture, the Apis mellifera construct their comb in bark of tree. Then the habit and habitat of Apis mellifera. They construct their comb in parallel multiple combs. See here, they multiple comb in a parallel manner. The nest consists of many comb arranged parallelly. This type of nest is called multi-parallel comb. See here, this is an multi-parallel comb seen in Apis mellifera. They construct their comb in dark enclosures such as caves, rock cavities, and hollow tree trunks. The distance between the comb are equal. In a comb, the honey is stored in the upper part and brood is in middle and lower parts, and the pollen adjacent to the brood. The worker and drone cell are hexagonal. Outside the Asia, beekeeping with Apis mellifera constitute an integral part of modern agricultural system, furnishing crop pollination services as well as honey and beeswax. Migratory beekeeping is required for Apis mellifera rearing. The Apis mellifera is worldwide distributed. Then third is Apis cerana indica. Serena indica, commonly called as Indian bee, Asian bee, Sateri bee, and Eastern bee. It is slightly smaller than European bee but larger than little bee. Forewing is shorter than European bee but larger than little bee. Is about 7.4 to 9 mm. The color of Apis cerana is yellow in color. The comb is unexposed like Apis mellifera. They construct their comb in dark places, not open. Annual honey yield of Apis cerana is about 4 to 8 kg. This is very gentle species, so can be domesticated easily. Then the habit and habitat of Apis cerana. They construct their comb like Apis mellifera. They construct their comb in parallel multiple combs. The nest consists of many combs arranged parallelly. This type of nest is called multiple parallel comb. See here in a diagram. This is a diagram of multi-parallel comb seen in Apis cerana and Apis mellifera. They construct their comb in dark enclosure such as caves, rock cavity, and hollow tree trunk. The distance between the comb are equal. In a comb, the honey is stored in the upper part and brood in the middle and lower part, and the pollen is stored in adjacent of the brood. Colony has strength about 40,000 to 50,000 bees per colony. Then the distribution of Apis cerana. Apis cerana found across most of Asia from the Middle East and India to Japan, and also found to the south to the Philippines. Then our last species is Apis florea. Apis florea, commonly called as little bee, dwarf bee, garden bee, and pollinating bee. It is an smallest of all the honeybee. Forewing is shorter among all the honeybee and is about 6 to 6.9 mm. The color of Apis florea is red in color and the comb is exposed. Means the florea construct their comb in an open area and the comb is an single, and Apis florea produce annual honey yield is about 0.5 to 1 kg. Then the habit and habitat of Apis florea. It is found in tropical forest and in farming area. The nest of Apis florea is about 20 cm in diameter. The comb is single and suspended from the branches of the bushes. Each comb consists approximately 3,000 3,600 cells on each side. To prevent and attack, the worker coated a sticky strip of propolis resin of plant at both ends of the next support. A floria is the only honeybee that use this defensive technique. They migrate from one place to another once in a 5 months. They swarm at least 5 times per year. They are not domesticated. The distribution of Apis florea. Apis florea is distributed in Vietnam and southeastern China, Himalayan region, Iran, and Oman. Thank you.